Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear space and makes your PC faster. Now if you open this PC, which is my computer, and as you can see my drive is almost full and we have 8.39 gigabytes of storage space out of 309. Okay, so let's see how to clear up space without deleting any relevant files within our PC. So what we are going to do first is for us to clear temporary files, and by clearing temporary files, let's just go to our run. So click on your start here and search run, or on your keyboard just press and hold Windows key then R. It opens this run box. So just clear this here and type in temp. Right, so just click on OK. Right, these are all temporary files which we are working with, but currently I'm not using them, so let's clear them off. Just highlight everything, and on your keyboard just or either right click and then delete. Now do this for all and then continue. Right, as you can see, so those that are not just going off, so just check this and then skip. Right, once this cleared, still on the run box, just go to it over again, still search run again and click on the run box again. Still on the run box, go to the field and type %temp, %temp. Right, we have that here. Then click on OK, and it opened the dialog box again, which are also, these are also temporary files. You just need to clear them because currently we are not working with them, so we just have to clear them. Highlight everything and then shift delete on your keyboard, or just right click and delete. So click on yes to delete everything. Right, so just check this and then skip. Once we use the run and clear all the temporary files, just go to your recycle bin, right click it and empty recycle bin. Right, once you emptied it, as you can see, everything there will be gone. So if we open our PC, let's observe our drive again. Now you can see we have 10 gig, we have at least 2 gig. That's add up. Already it was 2 gig. Now the next step for us to do is let's move to startup apps. Now if you go to your settings, click on the start and go to your settings, or just press Windows key plus I to open your settings. Now you come to apps, startup. Right, so all these are applications which are running on the background. So once you power on your PC, this is an antivirus which I installed. So once the PC just boots, it starts to launch and run by its own. We have Cisco here, so you can check within your apps that you have seen that you are not working with. Just turn them off and to release some stress on the PC. Now the next thing for us to do is just to turn off game mode, because we are not playing game now or making any use of the game mode now. So just go to the settings once again, and we have our settings here. We have gaming. Right, go to game mode, and as you can see, this is the caption: when game mode is on, Windows optimize your PC for play, but currently we are not playing games, so turn that off and just go to the game bar, turn that off too. Right, so close this, and next is for us to go to our storage. Just go to the settings once again. On the home, just come to settings, system, and under system you go to storage, and we have storage here. So just let it load. You can see that we have apps, other, temporary, documents, and desktop. Now if you go to the apps, now you can see that every app that is installed onto the PC are all found here. Now if you have checked within these apps and you have observed that probably an app which you have seen, an app which you have installed for several years or days ago, and you have not been using it, you can just search within, and then once you just found those apps, just click on it and then uninstall that app, to be sure that all the apps that you are not, any app that you are not using and it is installed onto your PC, you just uninstall it for a bit of space to add up onto your storage. Now let's go back. Now in here we have other, Right, so we have other folders. So here you can just check within any folder that, so let's assume that this plan to prosper, I don't need, these are specific files which are onto specific folders. So if I click on this, it will open that folder for me. Right, so any file that I've seen that I didn't want here, I can just delete that file off. So likewise, you can just check within all the other folders to delete any file that you don't need within your PC. So go back, and we have here temporary files, and under temporary files, just wait for it to load finish. Once it loads and then accumulate all the temporary files, you remove all the temporary files for stress-free on the PC. Right, so as it loads finish, you can see we have here downloads, we have temporary files. So once you just check this, checked all these for your downloads, you can leave that, or you can check on the download folder where you have to go to the order and then select and delete all the unnecessary files that you don't need onto the download. So you can just check that, but I'm going to leave that here. Or better still, if you have observed that any file that is on downloads you don't need it, you can just check mark it and then go to remove. Right, now go remove files. Right, it's been removed. So now let's go back. Likewise, the same tool, you can just go to documents. As it open document, you delete whatsoever files that you want. So you just view document and delete. But let's go back. It's just the same thing that applies to the desktop too. So that is just how it is. Now let's go back to this. Now onto the settings once again. Just go to your start and search for control panel. Right, once control panel, this is control panel, so just click to open it. Right, so go to ease access and come to ease access. Right, once ease access open, just come to this option, make the computer easier to use, to see. Click on that, and as it opens, scroll down and turn off all unnecessary animations. So click on that and then apply. Once applied, just click on OK. Right, so after all this, you just need to restart your PC in order to release some stress within the PC. Once done, just restart your PC and you are good to go. Your PC should be fast and some bit of space cleared on your PC. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to clear up some space and makes your PC faster. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.